Well, this breaking input is also relevant to the ONOP bill, which is likely to be tabled in the Lok Sabha today. Now, the NDA parties like BJP, TDP, JDU and Shiv Sena issue whip in Lok Sabha. The NDA alliance is gearing up for a decisive day in the Lok Sabha with key partners BJP, TDP, JDU and Shiv Sena issuing 3-line whips to their MPs. This move also underscores the coalition's determination to ensure full attendance as the government prepares to table the crucial One Nation, One Election bill. Well, joining us on the broadcast is a set of senior correspondents who've been constantly tracking all the reports from the ground. Payal, Pallavi, Aman and Arunima. My very first question will be to Payal. A very good morning, Payal. Payal, help us understand what's the BJP's strategy to ensure smooth proceedings in the Lok Sabha today?
The BJP would like smooth proceedings on the floor of the House, and that's the reason the whip has been issued by them for their party MPs in the Lok Sabha essentially. But TDP, JDU and of course Shiv Sena have also issued a whip essentially, not only to make sure that there is a smooth passage in terms of introduction of the bill, but most importantly to have a show of strength. Remember, the opposition parties do understand that at this point in time, the government of the day does not have two-third majority to pass the bill in both houses, but they do have significant numbers. So that show of strength might be one of the ideas on the basis of which the BJP has in fact asked all its alliance partners to come out and speak in support of the bill, which they already have. In that case, one of the first few advocates of this bill was Chandrababu Naidu. I remember way back in 2017 when the Prime Minister called for a meeting. Even then, Chandrababu Naidu had vehemently come out in support, saying this is going to help curbing black money, is going to help in, making governance the key. So that's something which one is really seen. But, opposition parties, Kohina also have a concern, essentially saying that if you vote once in 5 years, then the remaining 5 years your MPs or your MLAs are unaccountable to you because, they'll probably feel that there's no measure in which you can actually, pull them up or, ask them to prove their accountability.
Right, Payal. Thank you so much for bringing in all those details. I'll request you to stay with us on the broadcast as we are getting yet another